If the Bihar exit polls are correct, then Tejashwi Yadav, who celebrates his birthday today, will soon have more reason to celebrate. Most projections say that Tejashwi Yadav-led Mahagathbandhan can head the next Bihar government with the young Rashtriya Janata Dal Sion as the chief minister. Tejashwi Yadav is the younger son of RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi. Both his parents ruled the state of Bihar between themselves for 15 years. Despite his strong political roots, Tejashwi did not have a career in politics charted out for him. In fact, he first tried his luck as a cricketer. He played state level, then joined the Delhi Daredevils IPL team. He was a part of the team for a good 5 years from 2008 to 2012. However, he did not get an opportunity to play a single match. Then, in 2015, he joined his father's RJD and has now taken the party's reins as senior Yadav is serving jail in one of the fodder scam cases. Meanwhile, in 2005, Nitish Kumar had formed the government in Bihar and he won 2 consecutive elections. In 2015, Tejashwi contested from the Raghopur Assembly and won, and his party RJD emerged as the single largest party. He joined hands with Nitish's JDU to form the government in Bihar. However, in 2017, Nitish pulled the plug on the alliance and joined hands with the BJP instead. From Deputy Chief Minister in the Nitish government, Tejashwi became the leader of opposition in Bihar and is now leading the Mahagathbandhan in the state. Tejashwi had been embroiled in a corruption case linked to the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, but later he apologized to the people of Bihar for lapses and mistakes that may have been committed by the party during its tenure in the state government and that he himself was unaware of them, being too young at the time. During Tejashwi's father's tenure, there was a perception of Jungle Raj in Bihar which was controlled by Nitish, whose image as Sushasan Babu and development works won him elections. Nitish is now fighting strong anti-incumbency, and it remains to be seen if the 31-year-old Tejashwi is able to shrug off his parents' legacy and become the next chief minister.